Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to count the order of occurrences of duplicate values in Excel. Here in column A, I have a list of book names here. In column B, I have their corresponding author names, and in column C, I have their estimated prices. So to count the order of occurrences of each of the book names, here I have created a blank column called order of occurrences. Here I'll be write a formula to count the order of occurrences of each of the books from column A. So let's get started. First, select a cell, then start with equal sign. After that, type COUNTIF, insert open parenthesis. Now it requires a range, so just insert a range. After that, insert comma, and now it requires a criteria. So the criteria is basically the first cell of the range. After that, insert close parenthesis and hit enter. Now just copy down the formula. Here we can see that it returns 3, 2, 1 and so on. So if we look at our data set, we can see that this is the first appearance of confess, this is the second, this is the third. So in the column order of occurrences, the result should be something like 1, 2, 3, but this is the opposite. So let's just check the formula, what's actually going on here. If I click on the last cell of this column, we can see that the range has changed. It has changed to A12 to A22, which is definitely not the range I have inserted. So we need to lock the range. To lock the range, just click on the first cell of the range and press F4 from the keyboard. After that, hit enter and again copy down the formula. This time it returns the total count number of a certain book name all over the column. So again, we need to tweak our formula a little bit. For that, just replace the last cell of the range with the first cell, which is A2. Now hit enter and copy down the formula. There you go. So this time it's returning the correct count of order of occurrences of each of the book names. So let's just see how this formula is actually working. If I click on the first cell here, this time the range is limited to cell A2 and this is the first appearance of this book Confess. So it returns just 1. In the next cell, the range has expanded to A2 to A3. So within this range, the number of appearance of Confess is 2. Thus we get 2 here. In the next cell, the range has again expanded to A2 to A4, and within this range the number of appearance of Confess is 3, and thus we get 3, and it continues like this. So this is all for this video. I'm catching you in the next video.